Hi guys, and welcome to day 11 of Live Well with Marissa at home. Today is all about your obliques, so the muscles that run diagonal across the core that allow you to rotate from side to side as well as twist. So we'll work into these muscles. You're going to feel the work as we're doing it. Some of our other exercises throughout this month also have these exercises built into them, so you'll probably see them more than once, and you've probably seen them before if you've worked out with me. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll lay down onto our backs. If at any point today this feels too tough, just take a break. Let's start with hugging our knees to our chest. Good, very simple oblique exercises to start. A bicycle. Place your hands behind your head, knees are at 90. Exhale, either twist with bent knees just like this, or as we go back to the right, extend the left leg. Good. Side to side. Nice. Shoulder blades are up. Work through it. Good. You got 8, 7. Kick those legs out. 6. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you have 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Nice. Head comes down, legs go up. Index fingers to sky, interlace the fingers. Exhale, reach to the left, reach to the right. So find that rotation in the core. Good, side to side. Now if this hurts your neck, you can support it and switch hands. Good, you've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Hug those knees into your chest. You're going to go ahead and cross your right ankle over your knee, over your left leg. Let your right knee go out. Place your left hand behind your head. Exhale, twist. Good, twist. Again, coming across the body. Shoulder blades coming up. Good. Make it harder. Lift that bottom foot. Final 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Head comes down, switch legs, opposite hand, opposite arm out. Exhale, twist. So try not to bring your knee to you. Try to bring your elbow across to the knee, and there's more work there, okay? To make it harder, lift that foot, and then keep moving. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now, go ahead and lay on your side. Bottom arm comes under. So those are pretty basic exercises. We did some of those with the core on your back too. Palm is flat. You're going to reach over the head really long, so big stretch. Head is down. My bottom hand is lined up with my belly button. Exhale, come up and reach for those heels. Good. You've got 8, 7, 6, 5. Find your obliques. 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Stay here. Good. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Squeeze. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Before we do the other side, prop up onto your bottom forearm. Doesn't matter which side because we're doing both. Scissor your feet one in front of the other and raise your top arm. So we're going to dip the hips up and down. Good. Lower and lift. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hand behind your head. Roll your elbow down and up. Roll it down and up. Good. 4. Reach up. 3. Reach up. 2. Reach up. And then 1, reach up. Good. Let's do all 3 of those exercises on the other side. So, go ahead and lay down on your bottom hip for me. Rolling forward. Reaching your arm over your head. Bring your shoulder forward. Belly button meets thumb, okay? Reach overhead. Relax. Exhale, come up. Nice. So feel that pinch right here in the top obliques. Good. They wrap around the body. Let's go. Nice. 4, 3, 2, stay up. Good. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now put your forearm down that you haven't used yet and scissor your feet. So one foot in front of the other. Nice. You can raise your top arm or keep it on your hip. Dip. You can also help yourself out. You can put your hands here for assistance, okay? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Next exercise, hand behind your head, hips up, roll your elbow down, and up. So you want to find that rotation, that little roll through the body. So you're pulling the top hip down and up, but that bottom oblique is stabilizing and working, right? Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and 1. Elbow up. Good. Hips down. Now, transition to your hands and your knees and lower to your forearms. All right, forearm plank. Exhale, same thing as those dips, except we're gonna dip right, center, dip left, center. Good, go side to side. Really try to rainbow those hips up and around as you go from left to right. Good, let's do 4. Good, keep those forearms down. 3, 2, one more each side. 1 and 1. Drop your knees. Way to go. All right, back to side plank. Doesn't matter which forearm because we're gonna do both. Put it down. Stack your feet this time. Top arm comes up. Put it on your hip or the ground. Lift, and now swing your leg forward and back. So the obliques are stabilizing as this leg is moving. Good, feel that swing. 3, 2, now we do the same thing. Hold it, we can go up, up. And this is where you might want this hand to help you out. 8, 7, reposition. Good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Side 2, so rotate again. You may just be flipping over. I'm just switching this way just so that I'm facing you. This time, remember, the feet are stacked, okay? Nice. Now, hand to hip, hand to ground, arm to sky. Your choice. Swing. Good, swing. Again, this top leg is moving to force your bottom oblique to just work. 3, 2, one more forward and back. Good, let it land. Set it up. All right, top arm up if you want, as your top leg goes up and down. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, put it down. Nice job, guys. Back to that forearm plank. So both forearms down. Walk your toes back. Now, this time, drop both feet to the right, and you're gonna lower and lift your hips with both forearms down. So that's your difference. Good. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up there. 3, 2, 1. Find level hips. Come through center. Good. Switch. Scissors of the feet so you have your heels down, and then you dip. So you should start to be shaking. You should start to feel the movement in the core. Good job. For 3, 2, hold those hips up. 3, 2, level. Come through center. Let's drop those knees. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna find high plank. We're gonna bring our knees to our elbows and then to the opposite elbows. So that's gonna give you a nice pinch right here along the side where we've been working. Top of your push-up. Good. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Squeeze. Squeeze. Give me 8. 8. 7. Feel that pinch. Yeah? Now you know that feeling. Good. 5. 5. 4. Try to touch the elbow or tricep. 3. Last 2. 1 more each side right here. Good. Step it back. Release. Whew. Definitely starting to feel that. Now we're going to move left to right. So it's going to be a diagonal cross. Sometimes these look sloppy and sometimes they look like mountain climbers. So keep it tight and then keep everything else engaged. Palms flat. Slightly turn out your hands. Good. Twist. 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 Watch those hips. Good. Give me 8. 8. 7. 7. 6. 6. Come on. 5. We're halfway there right here. Final 4 and 4. 3. 2. And 1. Woo! Drop those knees. Good job, guys. Shake out those arms. Roll your shoulders. Way to work. So that helps you explore different ways to activate specifically the obliques in the core. There's a lot of different layers to your core, so we'll kind of try to dive into as many of those as we can throughout these 30 days together. If that was an awesome workout for you, way to go. If you want, maybe restart it and do it all again so you can get 2 sets per every exercise. Nice work, guys, and I'll see you for more tomorrow.